How to delete Instagram photos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete Instagram photos. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete Instagram photos, all you have to do is simply go ahead and open up here the Instagram application. Once you open up Instagram, simply head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your Instagram profile, simply you want which picture that you wish to delete, simply tap on it and open it up. Beside every post, you'll find the three dots option at the top right corner. Tap on it and then you'll find the delete option at the bottom right corner, as you can see there. Now however, if you want to delete a single picture from multiple posts, if you have uploaded multiple pictures in the same post, then in that case you want to simply open up the post, right, tap on the three dots and then tap on edit post. Once you tap on edit post, you can simply swipe to the picture that you would like to delete, and down below at the bottom left you'll find the delete icon. So this is how you can delete the photos in Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.